kids, welcome to maths class, and today we'll do exponents of powers. So the concept we are going to cover in this chapters are law of exponent, laws of negative exponent, radicals and the radicands, standard form or scientific notation of numbers. So all these things or concept we are going to learn in this chapter. It is very difficult to learn the large numbers such as the mass of the earth or the distance of the sun from the earth. So अगर number बहुत बड़ा है तो it's very difficult to learn that. Like the mass of earth is given here in kg, it is very difficult to learn. But the exponential form, it is easy to learn. So exponential form में अगर हम लिखेंगे, we'll write it as 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So it would become very easy to learn. Next, introduction. So we have already learned about the exponent in the class 7th. In this chapter, we shall learn some more rules of exponent and negative exponent. Let us revise all the previous concept in brief. A multiplied by A m time, that is equals to A to the power m. It is read as A raised to the power m, where A is the base and m क्या हो जाएगा? Exponent or power. For example, 6 upon 7 into 6 upon 7 into 6 upon 7. 3 times है, so we can write it as 6 upon 7 is to power 3. Here 6 upon 7 हमारा base हो जाएगा and 3 is the exponent of power. Clear? Next is laws of exponent. If A and B are two rational number and m and n are two positive integer, then A is to power m multiplied by A is to power n, that is equals to A is to power m plus n. अगर base same है तो powers add हो जाएगी. A is to power m divided by A is to power n, that is equals to A is to power m minus n. A is to power m bracket में है and n. So that is equals to A is to power m n, multiply हो जाएगी power. A is to power m multiplied by B is to power m. Now base is different but powers are same. In that case, we'll write it as A into B whole power m. Means दोनों के ऊपर power है. A is to power m divided by B is to power m, that we can written as A upon B is to power m, where B is not equals to 0. A is to power minus m, we can write it as 1 upon A is to power m, where A is not 0. A is to power 0, that is equals to 1. किसी की power 0 है, that means its value is 1. Even power of a negative sign is positive. Even power है, अगर negative sign है तो positive होगी, and odd power of negative sign is negative. Minus 1, even natural number, so that is equals to 1. Minus 1, अगर उसकी power odd natural number है, so that value will be negative 1. Now we'll take an example. Simplify. 5 upon 9 is to power 2 multiply by 5 upon 9 is to power 4 multiply 5 upon 9 is to power 3. Here base is same, 5 upon 9. So if base is same, power will be added. So we can write it as 5 upon 9 is to power 2 plus 4 plus 3. That is equals to 5 upon 9 is to power 9. Clear? Next, recap exercise. Write the base and exponent in each of the following. Minus 6 is to power 8. So base is minus 6 and power is 8. Next, write the following in exponential form. Minus 4 multiplied by minus over 4 time है, so we can write it as minus 4 is to power 4. Clear? Next, express each of the following rational number in the power notation. So 27 upon 125. 27 we can write it as 3 is to power 3 and 5 can be written as 125 can be written as 5 is to power 3. So we can write it as 3 upon 5 is to whole power 3. Clear? Next, simplify the following. 2 upon 5 is to power 4 multiply 2 upon 5 is to power 6 multiply by 2 upon 5 is to power 3. Base is same, so we'll add the power. 2 upon 5 is to power 4 plus 6 plus 3. So that is equals to 13. Next, simplify the following. 6 is to power 4 and whole power 3. So यहाँ पे क्या होगी? Power multiply हो जाएगी. 6 की power 4 into 3, that is equals to 12. Next, simplify the following. 1 upon 2 is to power 4 minus 1 upon 2 is to power 3 multiplied by 4 is to power 2. सो सबसे पहले हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर का सॉल्व करेंगे. 1/2. यहाँ पे जो बेस है वो सेम है. क्लियर. 1/2 is to power 4 minus 1/2 is to power 3 multiplied by 4 is to power 2. So 1/2 is to power 4. That is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 1/16 minus 1/2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Into 4 is to power 2. So here what we can do? We'll take the LCM, that is 16. 1 minus 2 into multiply by 4 is to power 2. So that is equals to minus 1 upon 16. We can write it as 4 is to power 2 multiply by 4 is to power 2. ये कट हो जाएगा तो आंसर आ जाएगा -1. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, सिंप्लीफाई द फॉलोइंग. 3 is to power 4 into x is to power 5 multiplied by y is to power 2. So 3 is to power 4. हम क्या करेंगे, जो नीचे जो पावर्स है उनको ऊपर ले आएंगे तो वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. मल्टीप्लाई 3 is to power -2 multiplied by x is to power 5 minus multiply by x is to power -2 multiply by y is to power 2 into y is to power -4. Now we'll solve it. 3 is to power 4 minus 2 into x is to power 5 minus 2 into y is to power 2 minus 4. So that is equals to 3 is to power 2 multiplied by x is to power 3 multiplied by y is to power -2. Clear? Next, find the value of m in each of the following. We have to find the value of m. 5 is to power m divided by 5 is to power 2 equals to 125. So 5 is to power m divided by 5 is to power 2 equals to 125 का हम लिख सकते हैं 5 is to power 3. Clear? So ये हो जाएगा 5 is to power m minus 2 that is equals to 5 is to power 3 because ये division में है, divide में है. So now base is same, so we'll compare the powers. M minus 2 equals to 3. So m equals to 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. Clear? So this is how we'll find the value. Next, laws of negative exponents. As we have read earlier the laws of positive exponent, now we will read the laws of negative exponent. Consider x upon 6 upon x is to power 7, that is equals to x is to power 6 minus 7, that is equals to x is to power -1. Clear? x की पावर 6 अपॉन x की पावर 7 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन, अगर हम नीचे ले जाएंगे पावर को या चेंज करेंगे साइड, ऊपर से नीचे या नीचे से ऊपर, तो वो क्या हो जाएगी नेगेटिव. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन x इज टू पावर 7 माइनस 6 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन x. x की पावर -1 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन x. लर्निंग टिप्स. If a upon b is any non-zero rational number and m is any positive integer, then a upon b is to power minus m. That is equals to b upon a. हम चेंज कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगी, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी पावर m equals to b is to power m upon a is to power m. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. इवेल्यूएट 3 is to power -4. सो पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, नीचे ले जाएंगे 1 upon 3 is to power 4 that is equals to 1 upon 81. So you have to practice all this example. सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज इवोल्यूशन टाइम 4.1. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. x is to power m multiply x is to power minus n, that is equals to x is to power m minus n. Clear? Next, simplify and express with the positive exponent. 6 is to power 3 multiply by 6 is to power -5. So that is equals to 6 is to power 3 minus 5. That is equals to 6 is to power -2. पॉजिटिव में करने के लिए इसको नीचे ले जाएंगे 6 to power 2. Clear? Next, simplify the and express with the positive exponent. 10 is to power -6 divided by 10⁻⁻⁴. सो हम क्या करेंगे, 10 इसको अगर हम लिखेंगे, विल राइट इट लाइक दिस 10⁻⁻4. नाउ व्हाट विल डू, 10⁻4 को हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे एंड 10⁻6 विल बी हियर. नेक्स्ट, सिंप्लीफाई द फॉलोइंग. 3⁻³ होल पावर 3 multiply with 3⁻0 divided by 5⁻1. 3⁻³ into 3 हो जाएगा 3⁻⁹ multiply by 3⁻0 की जो वैल्यू है that is equals to 1 and divide में है 5⁻1. so that is, हम इसको नीचे लिख देते हैं, 5⁻1 नीचे आएगा 5 आ जाएगा. so 3⁻9 upon 5. Clear? Next, simplify the following. 4⁻1 plus 5⁻1 into 2⁻2. So, we have to simplify it. 4⁻1 plus 5⁻1 into 2⁻2. So, इसको हम लिखेंगे 1/4 plus 1/5 multiply by 2⁻2. LCM ले लेंगे 25 plus 4 into 2⁻2 that is equals to 4. That is equals to 9/20 into 4. 9/5. Clear? Next, evaluate the following. 169 is to power 3 is to power 2. 169 को हम लिख सकते हैं 13 की पावर 2 और इसकी पावर हो जाएगी 3/2. 2 से 2 कट जाएगा, 13 is to power 3. That will be the answer. Next is find the value of m. So here 5 is to power m minus 3 equals to 1. So 1 that means किसी की जो पावर है वो 0 रही होगी, that means value is 1. So m minus 3 equals to हो जाएगा 0. So m equals to हो जाएगा 3. Clear? So इस तरीके से हम सॉल्व करेंगे. Next is radicals and radicands. Let x and y be the rational number and n be the positive integer. Then x equals to y is to power 1/n. Or we can write x equals to n root y. The form is y is to power 1/n is called the exponential form, and the form n root y ये कहलाएगी radical form, and root is called the radical sign. The number n is called the index of the radical and y is called the radicand. Clear? Let x be any rational number and m and n be any positive rational number. Then x is to power m/n, that is equals to x is to power m or multiply by 1/n or the nth root of m. x is to power minus mn, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं x is to power minus m multiply by 1/n. So that is equals to minus है तो हम इसको नीचे ले जाएंगे, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी 1/x to power m into 1/n. एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 6 into 36 to power minus 1/2 into 36 to power 3/2. So 6 into 36 to power minus 1/2. So हम इसको नीचे ले जाएंगे तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी पावर. क्लियर? Multiply 36 to power 3/2. So we can write it as 6 into 1/36 को हम लिख सकते हैं 6 to power 2 multiply by 1/2. Clear? Into 6 to power 2 into 3/2. कट करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसके इक्वल हो जाएगा 6 into 1/6 into 6 to power 3. सॉल्व करेंगे that is equals to 260. Clear? Practice all the examples. Next is evaluation time 4.2. Express each of the following in the exponential form. Root 32. So root 32 को हम लिखेंगे 32 की पावर रूट हटाएंगे 1/2 हो जाएगी. Clear? Next, express each of the following as radical. Radical की फॉर्म में लिखना है 3 is to power 1/7. So that will be written as 7 root 3. Next, simplify each of the following. 4 is to power 1/3 multiplied by 64 is to power 1/2 into 4 is to power 2/3. So 4 की power 1/3 into 64 can be written as 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 is to power 3 by 2 multiply by 4 is to power 2/3. Now बेस सेम है, हम पावर्स को ऐड कर देंगे. 4 is to power 1/3 plus 3/2 plus 2/3. Clear? So that is equals to LCM ले लेंगे 2 9 4. So that is equals to 4 is to power 15/6. That is equals to 4 is to power 5/2. Clear? Next is evaluate the following. 5 is to power 2 plus 12 is to power 2 and whole power 3/2. So 5 is to power 2, that is 25, and 12 is to power 2, that is 144, and whole power आ जाएगी 3/2. So that is equals to 169 whole power 3/2. 169 को हम लिख सकते हैं 13 is to power 2 multiply by 3/2. So that is equals to 2197. Clear? Next, evaluate the following. 0.008 is to power minus 2/3. So 0.008 we can write it as 0.2 is to power 3, 0.2 की power 3 multiply by minus 2/3. So that is equals to 0.2 is to power minus 2. We can write it as minus है तो नीचे ले जाएंगे 0.2 is to power 2. Clear? Next, simplify the following. Root 49 upon 64 multiply by cube root of 343 upon 512. So root 49, 7 into 7 49 होता है. So that can be written as 7 upon 8 into 343. Cube root निकालेंगे, that is equals to 7. So 7 upon 8 is to power 2. We can write it like this. Clear? Next, simplify the following. 4x is to power minus 2/5 into 5x की power minus 3/10. So what we'll do? We will write it as 4 into 5. x की power minus 2/5 because base same है तो add हो जाएगा and minus 3/10. Clear? अब इसको solve कर लेंगे and answer find out कर लेंगे. Clear? Next, simplify and express the result in positive exponent. So हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले इसको simplify करना है. सेम लॉज रहेंगे एक्सपोनेंट के, लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट को यूज करके जैसे हमने बाकी सारे क्वेश्चन किए, सिंप्लीफाई करना है एंड जो हमारा रिजल्ट आएगा इफ इट्स नेगेटिव, अगर ऊपर आ रहा है तो हम उसको नीचे ले जाके पॉजिटिव करेंगे, अगर नीचे है तो ऊपर ले जाके पॉजिटिव करेंगे, जैसे हमने पहले क्वेश्चंस में किया था उसी तरीके से करेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, यूज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट टू एक्सप्रेस वेरी लार्ज एंड वेरी स्मॉल नंबर इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. Sometimes we see very large numbers or very small numbers. For example, the distance of moon from the earth is, it's 384,467,000 meter. So it's a very large number. So it's very difficult to remember these numbers. Clear? The distance from the earth of sun is given here. The average diameter of red blood cells is given here. The size of the bacterium is given here. So reading and writing such type of number is very difficult. So we use standard form or scientific notation because it's very large number. इनको read करना and write करना very difficult है. So we'll write it in scientific notation. कैसे करते हैं? The number is said to be the standard form or the scientific notation if it is expressed as the product of the number between 1 to 10 and integer power 10. So above number can be written as the following manner. The distance of moon from the earth. इसको हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं 3.84 इंटू, हमने यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगा दिया। डेसिमल से पहले 1 से 10 तक के पीछे नंबर होने चाहिए, एक नंबर डेसिमल से पहले होने चाहिए एंड बाकी को हम 10 की पावर में लिखेंगे। सो आफ्टर दैट हाउ मेनी नंबर्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 नंबर्स हैं। सो विल राइट इट एज 10⁸ मीटर। क्लियर? The distance from the earth to sun will be written as 1.496 into 10⁻11 meter. The average diameter of the red blood cells is 7 into 10⁻6 millimeter. The size of the bacterium is 5 into 10⁻7 meter. When decimal point is shifted from right to left, अगर decimal point को हम right से left पे shift कर रहे हैं, then exponent is positive. And when the decimal point is shifted from left to right, अगर left से right में हो रहा है तो वो exponent है वो negative हो जाएगी। Example समझते हैं। Express the following number in standard form. So हमें standard form में लिखना है। So we'll write it as 4.25. Clear? इसको हम लिखेंगे 4.25 and decimal यहाँ पे था, हम कहाँ पे shift करें? Left में। That means power क्या हो जाएगी? Positive. Clear? So कितने नंबर्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll write it as 4.25 into 10⁻7. 7 प्लेस हमने वो किया है तो 10 की पावर 7 हो जाएगी। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, इवोल्यूशन टाइम 4.3. एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हम इसे लिखेंगे 6.75 into 10⁻1 2 3 4 5. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 और 6 7 इस तरीके से। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन यूजुअल फॉर्म. 2.76 into 10⁻6. सो 276 and 6 zeros लगा देंगे. 1 2 3 4. So put 6 zeros and after 2 decimals, so it is written as 276 1 2 3 4. Clear? इस तरीके से लिखेंगे. Next, express the following statement in standard form. The speed of light. Speed of light को हम लिखेंगे 3 into 10⁻1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros हैं तो 8 meter per second. Clear? Next, look back. If a and b are the two rational number, then m and n are two integer, then a is to power m into n, that is equals to a is to power m plus n. A is to power m divided by a is to power n, that is equals to a is to power m minus n. A is to power mn, that is equals to a is to power m into n. A is to power m multiplied by b is to power m, that is equals to a into b is to power m. A is to power m divided by b is to power m, that is equals to a upon b is to whole power m. Here b is not equals to 0. A is to power minus m, that can be written as 1 upon a is to power m, where a is not equals to 0. A is to power 0, that is equals to 1. Even power of negative sign and positive, but odd power of the negative sign is negative. Minus 1 अगर even natural number है power, so it will be positive. Minus 1 odd natural number है power, it will be equals to negative 1. If x and y are the rational number and n is the positive integer, then x is to power n equals to y. X equals to y is to power 1 upon n. Y is to power 1 upon n is called the nth root of y, written as nth root of y. A number is said to be in the standard form or in the scientific notation if it is expressed as the product of the number between 1 to 10 integral power 10 k into 10 is to power m, where k is greater than 1 but less than 10. जो k की वैल्यू है वो 1 से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए पर 10 से कम. m is an integer. Let's recall. So practice all these questions given here. Next is mental zone. Minus 3 is to power minus 1 whole power minus 1. Minus 3 is to power minus 1. सो हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 तो हो जाएगी पावर 1. माइनस 3 इज टू पावर 1, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. x इज टू पावर m मल्टीप्लाई x इज टू पावर माइनस n, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू x इज टू पावर m माइनस n. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now do practice it.